Jen Wyman here at the library. I want to share a few of our wonderful cookbooks that we have here in our collection. If after the holidays you're looking for some lighter fare and you're thinking, I should probably eat a vegetable, we have Umami Bomb, and it is 75 vegetarian recipes that explode with flavor. So one of them I looked at has some amazing Brussels sprouts on a sheet pan, super easy. Another one is also on a sheet pan and cauliflower. So if you're looking for some super easy vegetarian recipes, I would highly recommend Umami Bomb. If you're really tired and don't want to put in a lot of effort, we also have a really cool book, How to Sous Vide. So if you happen to have a sous vide device, this is the book for you. And if you have a slow cooker and you're looking for just generally healthy food after the holidays, we have the Healthy Slow Cooker Cookbook. I also want to highlight the Instant Pot cookbook that we have, since a lot of you have Instant Pots that are double as slow cookers. So we have multiple Instant Pot cookbooks. And if you happen to still have apples left over from the fall or any other fruits or anything like that in your fridge, be sure to check out the New England Orchard Cookbook. As always, tell us what recipes you've tried, tell us what you loved, come ask us for more options. We have so many cookbooks, and I hope we see you in the library soon. Thanks.
Hi readers, it's that time of year when I share my favorite books of the year. So this is the last time I'll be giving you this list. My favorite books of 2025. I read 49 books this year, which sounds like a lot, but is really not a lot for me. I'm usually up into the 70s at this point. All these books received my highest score, which is 5 stars. And the books are The Island of Sea Women by Lisa C., The River is Waiting by Wally Lamb, James by Percival Everett, and that is the one that follows The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn that I talked about a few months ago. Isola by Allegra Goodman, Go as a River by Shelley Reed, Where All Light Tends to Go by David Joy, Romantic Comedy by Curtis Sittenfeld, You Are Here, Poetry in the Natural World by Ada Limon, who had been the Poet Laureate of the United States. So it's a great book, and she's a very interesting person. The Cannibal Owl by Erin Gwynn. That's a novella, so it's really short. You could read that in a few hours. And the last one, The Wedding People by Allison Espach. It's a good list of books. This will start your 2026 out. Take my list and go right through it. So these were my 5-star books. My favorite book of this year, 2025, The River is Waiting by Wally Lamb. We have it in print, large print, audio CD, and in both digital formats through Libby and Cloud Library.
Hello, my name is Patty Pennick, and I am your Assistant Director and Head of Youth Services at the Goffstown Public Library. Most days, I'm mostly wearing the hat of Children's Librarian, but over the last year, I've had the opportunity to work on some other projects that affect other areas of the library. And one of them was requesting some funds, applying for a grant to restore a very important feature of our beautiful historic library. Did you know that our library is 116 years old? That's a long time. Did you know that the windows of our beautiful historic library are also 116 years old? They are the original windows on the first and second floor, and they are gorgeous, so we definitely do not want to replace them with anything that would take away the character. So we have applied for, myself and a group of other very concerned and focused people in the community, to apply for an LCHIP grant. And you're probably wondering what LCHIP stands for. I wrote it down because sometimes I forget. It stands for Land and Community Heritage Investment Program. And the grants that they give out once a year are highly competitive. We applied, and along with about, I think, 31 other organizations in New Hampshire, were awarded funds, matching funds, to help defray the cost of our window restoration project. The amount of the project is in the 30,000s, so the LCHIP grant will pay about half of that amount. The exact amount of the grant is $19,272, and we have a specially skilled contractor who works only and exclusively with old buildings, coming in, and one by one, he and his team will be removing each window on the second floor and the first floor, taking it out of the library back to their workshop, stripping all of the old glaze and reglazing, working some of the wood to move it to its existing glory, and then replacing the windows and all of the weights and the ropes and everything to their original glory. Recently, we were presented, I won't show you right away. We were presented with this fun recognition of all the hard work that went into applying for this grant by the representatives in the Goffstown and Ware area. And we were presented at the budget committee meeting the other night with this fun fake check recognizing this important grant. So I just wanted to share this with you. It will be hanging somewhere in the library soon if you want to pop in. The window project will be taking place at the end of 2026 or beginning of 2027. I encourage you to come into the library and check out these windows before, and then of course come back and see them after.
Thanks for watching. Stay in the know. You can subscribe to the library's monthly email newsletters at goffstownlibrary.com/subscribe, and you can unsubscribe at any time.